Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Tani Nolenberger, your favorite wedding planner, and this of course is Talk with Tani, your Mary source to weddings. Our goal is to create, educate, and have a ridiculously good time. So my friends, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I bring you new videos every Tuesday, and give this video a thumbs up because today I am going to show you how to make your own styling board at home 2 different ways. Both are simple, easy, and affordable. If you are unfamiliar with what a styling board or a styling mat is, it's such a great tool to have with you on wedding day, whether you're doing just different design work, especially for flatlays, using an invitation suite. Again, such a good tool to have when you want to highlight different details of the wedding and event day. So my friends, without further ado, let's get started. The first way I'm going to show you how to make your own styling board, very simple. I purchased a canvas. It is an 18 by 24 from Hobby Lobby. They actually had it on sale from $13.99 and it was 50% off. So it was a very affordable purchase. And then also at Hobby Lobby, I went to the fabric section and I bought a bunch of different fabrics. This one is called, I think it was sand. So very neutral color. There's kind of some specks in it that like make it a little more texturized, which I really like. So I have those 2 pieces, and then I have Elmer's Craft Bond spray glue that I'm going to use as an adhesive with the linen to the canvas. So that is one option, or you could just take a staple gun and literally wrap the linen around the canvas as well and staple the edges over. So whatever is easiest for you. I feel that way you could maybe reuse the board a little bit more and switch out the different linens by just taking the staples out. But I'm definitely going to iron this linen because it is a little wrinkly and I want to make sure it looks really nice when laid on my canvas. Okay, so here I have my ironed fabric. I laid it over my canvas. And as you can see, I really just kind of want like 1.5 inches on each side. This is fine, it lays over, but I do have all this extra fabric, so I am gonna have to cut it. So I have my big shears here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the fabric. Perfect. And I could even do it this way. That kind of fits a little bit better, so there's not so much extra. Here we go. Okay, I'll probably have to just iron this again. I'm gonna go ahead and flip it, and I have this awesome heavy-duty staple gun that I'm actually gonna use for this. And you want to just make sure it's really tight all the way across. Make sure it looks nice. Again, there is some extra fabric, but that's okay. And there you go. You have a really easy at-home DIY styling mat. Okay, so we have, this is a foam board, just a regular foam board. This is a 20 by 30. Again, I got at Hobby Lobby, $2.99. So we're gonna actually texturize this because as you can see, it's a very shiny white surface. We're gonna texturize it with this premium spackling. We got this at Home Depot, as I like to say, and with that you need a putty knife. Also got this at Home Depot. This is about 1.5 inches long. I'm not sure if the length really matters, but this is just what I have today. You're also going to need a paintbrush. I had this in my house, luckily, so you could probably also find that at Home Depot or Lowe's. And then I bought some acrylic paints. I also got these at Hobby Lobby. Again, they're always having great sales. It was 30% off. These were, I think, $1 each. So I did get this. It's a chalky ultra matte acrylic paint in white, and then I have this natural buff, though I think I'm just going to use both to see if I could get, again, a neutral texturized board. So all right, let's get started. Okay, so I just opened the putty. As you could see here, I'm really just going to take it and start smearing it on my board, just kind of in these slanted ways, so it kind of creates this juxtaposition pattern. Don't think there's a really right or wrong way to do this. And so I'm just going to continue to do this across my board. We're of course going to let it dry, but see how it creates this kind of nice sort of textured look to it. And then once it dries, we're going to apply our acrylic paint. So I'm just going to continue to do this until the whole board is filled, and we'll have to paint.